Good afternoon, everybody. I'm coming to you today. Got a 2010 Dodge Avenger on the hoist. A lot of you may know this, or may not. This is a gas cap. That is a gas hole. Put that gas cap in that gas hole and you close it. This is a gas hole, gas cap door. You close it, you open it, you close it. If that gas cap and gas hole and gas door's not broke, we're gonna make it go. Lady that drives this most of the time let her husband know 2.5 weeks ago she had some brake issues going on. And it got run until the car stopped. It locked up a bearing. It spit the brake pad out of there. Chewed the heck out of the rotor. The caliper's destroyed. Both sides are like this. Yeah, gas hole wasn't broke. We'll make it go. I've done brake jobs on stuff like this before, and I've had brand new calipers lock up right off the get-go. Every once in a while, I have found this clamp right here that holds this rubber hose out of the way. I have found where out of the box, or even brand new ones, or even rusty ones, this clamp where it wraps around is pinched so tight that it shuts off the tube on the inside of this hose here so that the fluid don't return back to the reservoir correctly. So I made up a special pair of pliers that I use, ground them down, and you can put them in there and open that up, and there's nothing wrong with the hose. And then it goes back to returning correctly. But not in this case. This case here, I think the gas hole wasn't broke. Little bit of sarcasm. State of Michigan, any repair facility up here, whether a vehicle comes in for oil change or what, they're supposed to get a inspection, complete inspection. No cost to the owner. I find a few things that's kind of funny. I've done several oil changes in my life. And not once have I ever had to put my initials on an oil filter. Never ever have. I've always double checked them. After I start them up, make sure they don't leak. I always make sure that they're not double O-ring. I've never ever had to put blue goo in an oil drain plug. Never had to do that. I never forgot one. I always double checked them. I'll just leave that kind of stuff to you. Let you draw up the conclusion. If all they're concerned about is the inspection of the drain plug and the oil filter, and none of the rest of the vehicle, I don't know. An inspection could have caught these. But I'll let you guys come to that conclusion. You all have a great day. Be safe out there. And sometimes get a good inspection. not just a quick oil change. We'll see you all around. Bye.